Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a function that solves the phase 1 of the formula st1. Solve phase 1. Today I will bring to your attention a small cosmetic issue. It is the result of our first test. There is a positive sign here at the beginning of the left hand side, but it should be f times x is larger than t minus b. I will create a function that will print the first token taking into consideration the fact that there is a positive sign when the token is the first one in the list. Okay, so let's call this function printable token. So I will say define printable token, and I will have two parameters. The first parameter will be the position in list. So if it is 0 is the first token, and the second one will be the token. And I will say, I will indent two spaces, and I will say if position in list it's equal 0, so if it is first token and the first character in the token, which is at index 0, it's equal plus, so if it starts with plus sign, I will say return token everything started from index 1. So index 1 is the second character in the token, so the plus at the beginning won't be returned. Okay, and else I will return the token as it is. Return token. Now, when I'm presenting the formula, the present formula function, instead of printing LHS token of I will print printable token. I is the position of LHS token of I. LHS token of I is the token. And I will do the same thing for the right hand side. So we do not want a plus sign at the beginning. Okay, right hand side. I will save this file and run all 7 tests. Okay, so first test passed. Second test passed. Third test passed as well. Fourth test passed. Fifth test also passed. Sixth test passed. And seventh test, let's see, passed as well. Okay, so we fixed the issue. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.